the Gibson Hall building that we're in now is the oldest residence hall for women on campus, and so I wanted to honor that. So all of these photos have been taken from the university archives, from the library. They were all just taken to just be inspired by the women who went to this university and inspired all-female residence halls.
These photos aren't displayed, and I don't feel like they get enough attention. And so having them in a residence hall really gives the girls of like, this is what our university used to look like. And it's really powerful that some of these women were, you know, almost trailblazers for them in a way.
And I really want the women here to have school spirit, not just for living in the residence hall, but for being a Razorback. I think there's really a lot of pride in that and saying Woo Pig Suey. This photo behind me is of Susan Newton. She was a student here in Davis Hall. This photo was taken in 1953. It's about the in-between moments of getting ready side by side, chatting in the halls, catching your own reflection and not overthinking it for once. It's learning how to exist without performing and how to take up space without apologizing. You watch other women try, change, experiment, and show up anyway, and it quietly gives you permission to do the same. Over time, the mirror becomes less about checking flaws and more about recognizing someone who's figuring out things and trusting that she's enough, even while she's still becoming.